5 plus 5 gives us 10. Then 10 multiplied by 2 gives us 20. In the end, 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we encounter a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it randomly. Instead, we must follow a specific sequence called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents and roots, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first calculate expressions inside parentheses. Then we solve exponents and roots. After that, we perform multiplication and division. Finally, we perform addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. In any expression that contains both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation we encounter first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. The expression is 20 divided by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 2. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate inside the parentheses. 5 plus 5 gives us 10. The expression then becomes 20 divided by 10 multiplied by 2. In this expression, there is both division and multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority. So, we move from left to right and perform whichever operation we encounter first. Moving from left to right, we reach division first. So, we perform the division first, and then the multiplication. 20 divided by 10 gives us 2. In the end, 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4, which is our final answer.